So leo nataka kuongea about World Economic Forum. So before tuendelee, kuna
uko in the market for an electric car, unaweza reach out to us on WhatsApp ama Telegram on the number on your screen, na tunaweza kusaidia upate the car that best suits you.
ile kitu ambayo ilikuwa strange about this year's World Economic Forum, sikusikia any mention about mambo ya climate change na venye ina affect industry ama kitu kama hiyo. Mambo ya climate change imekuwa kama how venye tulikuwa tuna think of COVID. Mambo ya climate change sasa imeputiwa on the back burner because sasa most countries zina concentrate on their industrial policy. So nataka kucompare ambayo the country ambayo imekuwa like the premier in mambo ya kugenerate industry, especially in Kenya, which is China. Oh, just to give you a perspective, unaona ukiangalia in the 10 years ambayo si tulikuwa tunafanya this climate action, mambo ya climate action in the last 10 years, China wame really ramp up coal power production. So just to give you a perspective, Kenya the whole country tuna producing around 3,300 megawatts of power. China from coal alone ina produce 1,140,000 megawatts of power. That means between China na Kenya kuna almost a 300 times difference between us. So hiyo ndio the country, especially with countries sahi, you need to be able to compete ndio industries zenyu ziweze kufanya kazi. Otherwise, for most people, kama wameambiwa tuseme for example they need kubuy cement, most consumers wata choose cement pale kwa most affordable, not necessarily kuangalia where that cement is from. Na hiyo ndio something that we really need to put effort moving forward. Tunafaa put more effort in identifying especially industrial policies ambazo zina drive us to the next level. So for example, kama mimi and India, something I've become quite passionate about ni that I really need Kenyans wa change mind yao juu ya coal power production. Ndio at least tuanze kuonboard hiyo power, at least tuweze sasa compete industrially with most countries in the world. Especially moving forward, itakuwa very hard to depend on external supply lines. Hii video iende to changing someone's mind. Let's put more effort in onboarding coal and coal power production ndio tuweze move to the next level. Asanteni.